This is our Eaton Omnex brand. Very rugged, dependable wireless control for cranes, machinery, construction equipment, a number of applications. What we're showing here today is TD3100. This is a belly pack with multiple joystick controls, has a display. We have the smaller TD110 and TD1140, both two-way mobile wireless control for equipment. So here we have the TD3100 belly pack, and I'll demonstrate some of the features of it. These are fully customizable for any application you're using. This particular model has a couple of joysticks, a couple of levers here. What we've done is we have connected it to, as you can see, our little mini excavator here in the sandbox. So I can control engine speed, and then with the joysticks, I can control the boom, up, down, swing left and right. If you'd like to know more, please visit eaton.com Mobile Wireless Solutions.